Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Netflix not working but internet is fine fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is open up the settings app and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on Netflix. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app. And now what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the glitches and bugs that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And instead of this offload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, you can try again. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is, now if that doesn't work, then what you need to do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Netflix, and now check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so simply update and try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.